Hello everyone, Franklin here again with another video. Today we gonna be talking about what you need to know on the guidance for people in general on COVID-19, but before we do that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you will be the first to be notified each time I bring out a new video. Presenting yourself to the sun or to temperatures higher than 25 degrees does not forestall the coronavirus sickness, COVID-19. You can get COVID-19, regardless of how radiant or sweltering the climate is. Nations with blistering climate have detailed instances of COVID-19. To secure yourself, ensure you clean your hands much of the time and completely and abstain from contacting your eyes, mouth, and nose. You can recoup from the coronavirus ailment, COVID-19. Getting the new coronavirus does not mean you will have it forever. The vast majority of the individuals who get COVID-19 can recuperate and take out the infection from their bodies. On the off chance that you come down with the sickness, ensure you treat your side effects. In the event that you have fever, and trouble breathing, look for clinical consideration early, however call your well-being office by phone first. Most patients recoup on account of strong consideration. Having the option to hold your breath for 10 seconds or more without hacking or feeling inconvenience does not mean you are liberated from the coronavirus infection, COVID-19, or some other lung ailment. The most widely recognized side effects of COVID-19 are dry tiredness and fever. A few people may grow progressively extreme types of the sickness, for example, pneumonia. The most ideal approach to affirm in the event that you have the infection delivering COVID-19 ailment is with a research facility test. You can't affirm it with this breathing activity, which can even be risky. Drinking liquor doesn't secure you against COVID-19 and can be risky. Visit or over-the-top liquor utilization can build your danger of medical issues. COVID-19 infection can be transmitted in regions with hot and sticky atmospheres. From the proof up until now, the COVID-19 infection can be transmitted in all areas, incorporating regions with blistering and damp climate. Notwithstanding atmosphere, receive defensive measures on the off chance that you live in, or travel to a zone announcing COVID-19. The most ideal approach to ensure yourself against COVID-19 is by as often as possible cleaning your hands. By doing this you kill infections that might be on all fours disease that could happen by then contacting your eyes, mouth, and nose. Chilly climate and snow cannot slaughter the new coronavirus. There is no motivation to accept that chilly climate can slaughter the new coronavirus or different sicknesses. The typical human internal heat level stays around 36.5 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius, paying little mind to the outside temperature or climate. The best method to ensure yourself against the new coronavirus is by every now and again cleaning your hands with liquor-based hand rub or washing them with cleanser and water. Cleaning up doesn't forestall the new coronavirus infection. Cleaning up won't keep you from getting COVID-19. Your typical internal heat level stays around 36.5 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius, paying little mind to the temperature of your shower. In reality, washing up with incredibly boiling water can be unsafe, as it can consume you. The most ideal approach to secure yourself against COVID-19 is by as often as possible cleaning your hands. By doing this you kill infections that might be on all fours contamination that could happen by then contacting your eyes, mouth, and nose. The new coronavirus cannot be transmitted through mosquito nibbles. To date there has been no data nor proof to propose that the new coronavirus could be transmitted by mosquitoes. The new coronavirus is a respiratory infection which spreads fundamentally through beads created when a contaminated individual hacks or sniffles, or through beads of spit or release from the nose. To secure yourself, clean your hands every now and again with a liquor-based hand rub or wash them with cleanser and water. Additionally, keep away from close contact with any individual who is hacking and wheezing. Are hand dryers powerful in executing the new coronavirus? No. Hand dryers are not powerful in executing the 2019 nCoV. To ensure yourself against the new coronavirus, you should much of the time clean your hands with a liquor-based hand rub or wash them with cleanser and water. When your hands are cleaned, you should dry them completely by utilizing paper towels or a warm air dryer. Can a bright purification light execute the new coronavirus? UV lights ought not be utilized to disinfect hands or different territories of skin as UV radiation can cause skin aggravation. How successful are warm scanners in identifying individuals contaminated with the new coronavirus? Warm scanners are successful in identifying individuals who have built up a fever, for example have a higher than ordinary internal heat level on account of contamination with the new coronavirus. Notwithstanding, they can't distinguish individuals who are contaminated yet and not yet wiped out with fever. This is on the grounds that it takes somewhere in the range of 2 and 10 days before individuals who are contaminated gotten wiped out and build up a fever. Could splashing liquor or chlorine all over your body slaughter the new coronavirus? No. Splashing liquor or chlorine all over your body won't slaughter infections that have just entered your body. Showering such substances can be destructive to garments or mucus films, for example eyes, mouth. Know that both liquor and chlorine can be helpful to purify surfaces, however they should be utilized under proper suggestions. Do antibodies against pneumonia ensure you against the new coronavirus? No. Antibodies against pneumonia, for example, pneumococcal immunization and Haemophilus flu type B (Hib) antibody, don't give insurance against the new coronavirus. The infection is so new and distinctive that it needs its own immunization. Analysts are attempting to build up an antibody against 2019 nCoV, and WHO is supporting their endeavors. In spite of the fact that these immunizations are not compelling against 2019 nCoV, inoculation against respiratory sicknesses is strongly prescribed to ensure your well-being. Can consistently washing your nose with saline assistance forestall contamination with the new coronavirus? No. There is no proof that consistently washing the nose with saline has shielded individuals from contamination with the new coronavirus. There is some restricted proof that normally washing nose with saline can assist individuals with recuperating all the more rapidly from the regular virus. Be that as it may, normally washing the nose has not been appeared to forestall respiratory diseases. Could eating garlic help forestall contamination with the new coronavirus? Garlic is a solid nourishment that may have some antimicrobial properties. Nonetheless, there is no proof from the present episode that eating garlic has shielded individuals from the new coronavirus. Does the new coronavirus influence more seasoned individuals, or are more youthful individuals additionally helpless? Individuals of any age can be tainted by the new coronavirus 2019 nCoV. More established individuals, and individuals with previous ailments, for example, asthma, diabetes, coronary illness, give off an impression of being increasingly helpless against getting seriously sick with the infection. WHO instructs individuals with respect to all ages to find a way to shield themselves from the infection, for instance by following great hand cleanliness and great respiratory cleanliness. Are antitoxins successful in forestalling and treating the new coronavirus? No, antitoxins don't neutralize infections, just microbes. The new coronavirus 2019 nCoV is an infection and, in this way, antitoxins ought not be utilized as a methods for avoidance or treatment. Be that as it may, in the event that you are hospitalized for the 2019 nCoV, you may get antimicrobials in light of the fact that bacterial co-contamination is conceivable. Are there a particular meds to forestall or treat the new coronavirus? Until this point in time, there is no particular medication prescribed to forestall or treat the new coronavirus 2019 nCoV. Notwithstanding, those contaminated with the infection ought to get suitable consideration to calm and treat side effects, and those with extreme sickness should get upgraded strong consideration. Some particular medications are under scrutiny, and will be tried through clinical preliminaries. WHO is assisting with quickening innovative work endeavors with a range or compasses. With this facts known to us, we can all be safe if only we put them to practices. Stay safe and always remember to use hands.